Hey everyone, welcome to Homestead and Hustle. We have a big announcement. Yes, we have a big announcement, and to explain what's been going on with us, what's our big announcement, David?
We have moved.
Yes, we moved, and we moved to Calvert, Texas. And I know in one of our videos we said we were probably going to stay put, but for now, where we were on our 12 acres, but we had our house on the market and no one was looking or anything like that. And so we thought, well, this is God's sign that he wants us to stay where we are. Well, right after we did that video, someone came and looked, made an offer, and we moved. So we'll be explaining all that in a very near future video of what's going on and where we moved, or what we bought, our new homestead. So we'll still be Homestead and Hustle, but it was just in a different homestead area. So you want to add anything? No? Okay. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Can we hold it? What are you doing?
Right there. Not like that.